pleased, pleased, meet, meet. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. Home, home. Brazil, Brazil.
Brazil is a beautiful country. Brazil is a beautiful country.
Jungle, jungle. I can see animals in the jungle. I can see animals in the jungle. Tell, tell.
I can tell a story. I can tell a story.
City, city. She lives in Kuwait City. She lives in Kuwait City. Harbour, harbour.
I can see a dhow in the harbour. I can see a dhow in the harbour.
Tower, tower.
Kuwait Towers are in Kuwait City. Kuwait Towers are in Kuwait City.
Email, email.
From. I have got an email from my friend. I have got an email from my friend.
Come from. Come from.
I come from Kuwait. I come from Kuwait.
New, new.
She has a new dress. She has a new dress. Dear. Dear. Necklace. Necklace.